Good afternoon, friends. Here we are from Skandar Garage, and we have painted the crystal black rims. So you can see the quality. It's a crystal black. All four rims we have done crystal black. Very nice quality, shining, crystal clear. All four pieces we have make here. It's the quality. So if you need any color you want, we can make. We have more than 300 colors in stock. Also we have made the grills. So you can see this is the grill, front spoiler grill, also crystal black. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Here is the quality.